Hello everyone, I am Trupti Shah from Vidyavardhini's College of Engineering and Technology. Today I will be explaining you cascade and parallel realization of IIR filter. Here the transfer function of IIR filter is given. This is the transfer function and the question is draw cascade and parallel realization of it. First we'll start with the cascade realization. Remember one thing, whether you solve it for cascade and parallel realization, we have to factorize the denominator. So here, for factorization, the negative power of transfer function should be converted into positive power. So very first thing is convert the transfer function into positive power. So this is the equation for positive power of transfer function. Then find out the roots of denominator. It will be plus 0.3 and minus 0.5, and write the entire transfer function as the multiplication of h1z and h2z. Again, before drawing the realization block diagram, the transfer function should again convert it into the negative power of z. So it will become, this is the final transfer function in negative power of z. Then to draw the realization block diagram, first we'll draw h1z in direct form 2 and then h2z in direct form 2. So this is the first stage, h1z. There is no zero, only pole, and remember pole sign will change here as minus 0.3. It will first pole come, then 0. As no 0, nothing is there to the right hand side. And for second stage there is pole as well as 0. So first pole will come and sign of pole is minus 0.5. It will change as 0.5 and 0 and 1. So 0 sign will not change. It is minus 1 to minus 1. So this is the entire block diagram, realization block diagram of cascade form. I hope everyone understood the cascade form realization. Now we'll move to the parallel realization. Parallel realization will use same equation for cascade, that is factorized form. Say equation A, we'll rewrite it. So equation A we can write, and then but for parallel realization equation we have to convert it into the addition of two transfer functions. For addition we have to solve this as a partial fraction expansion. So we can write this equation as a1 upon z plus 0.3 plus a2 upon z minus 0.5, and the two roots a1 and a2 will be find out. So if you solve it, we can get a1 is 1.625 and a2 is minus 0.625. So substitute the value in above equation. We can get this equation. Again, this equation is the positive power of z. Convert it into the negative power. We'll get this equation, and we'll draw the realization block diagram as the sum of h1z and h2z. Consider this as h1z and second stage as h2z. Again, h1z will realize in direct form 1 and h2z will realize in direct form, h1z and h2z both will realize using direct form 2. So here first poles h1z there is no 0, for h2z no 0, that is why right hand side only 1.625 and minus 0.625, left hand side 1 0, first pole minus 0.3 here and minus 0.5 here. So minus 0.5 sign will change as 0.5 and 0.3 minus 0.3. So this is the entire block diagram for parallel form realization, and it is added. I hope everyone understood it. Thank you.